Bold, sophisticated, versatile. The all-new S-Cross is an SUV that delivers on these three concepts, all at a very high level. Bold is the styling concept. From any angle, the design immediately communicates the dignified form of a rugged SUV. The front features a large, piano black grille and sharp headlamps to create a powerful impression. The side view features squared wheel arch mouldings that express an inner toughness. As with the front face, the rear lamps and bumper are raised high off the ground to create a sense of dynamism. The interior has a three-dimensional shape that suits the character of a powerful SUV. The center console houses a large, multifunctional 9-inch HD display audio system. Finally, there is versatile, which refers to the convenient and comfortable interior. The all-new S-Cross offers comfort for 5 adults and 430 litres of flexible luggage space that can be used in a variety of ways. The all-new S-Cross is an SUV that offers comfort and convenience for the driver as well as all the passengers. Sophisticated refers to our control technology. For the four-wheel drive system, which is a cornerstone of Suzuki DNA, we have adopted All Grip Select. A dial allows users to easily select a driving mode. As for the engine, the 48-volt SHVS mild hybrid system is standard equipment in Europe and in some other markets. In addition to driving support functions, the all-new S-Cross also boasts enhanced parking support functions, such as a 360 view camera and rear cross traffic alert.